To turn on call forwarding on the Redmi Note 14S, all you simply have to do is first go into the phone application. From here, you'll have to press 3 dots on the top right corner and go for the settings. And right here, you will have to go for the calling accounts, and here you can find call forwarding. So let's tap on this one, and here you will have to wait a little bit for all of these settings to read. And after that you will be able to select any of these options. You can forward calls when always forward, forward when busy, forward when unanswered, and when unreachable. So simply select any of these options, and right here you can insert any number to forward the call to when unreachable, and type in any number, and here we can press this button to turn on. And additionally, here is this little icon of the contact. As you tap on this one, you will be able to select a number from your contacts list to forward a call to. And that's basically it. That's how you can do this.